We know that every e-bike rider waits for Black Friday deals, and for good reason. Black Friday brings amazing discounts on e-bikes from both well-known and emerging brands. That's why we've handpicked a bunch of the best Black Friday e-bike deals available this year. So why waste more time stretching the intro? Let's just see what deals are waiting and grab them before they end. At first, we have the Greenworks 80-volt fat tire e-bike. The e-bike now comes with a massive 46% Black Friday drop, so the new price comes in at $973, so it's one of the most aggressive deals in the fat tire category. This bike is built to handle tough terrain with its high-efficiency brushless motor that reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour and delivers strong climbing power, so undoubtedly this deal deserves the top position in our list. Next, we have a super affordable electric bike from LELEKUAI. This foldable e-bike is now on sale for 44% off at just $111. Can you imagine an e-bike with a powerful 560-watt motor that can reach speeds up to 24 miles per hour? Well, this bike has all of them with a very little price tag. Also, the compact and foldable design of the bike makes it ideal buy for city commuting or travel. Now, here comes the Tuttio Soleil 01 electric dirt bike. It comes with a 12% sale on this Black Friday, so the new price will be around $1,234 from the original price tag of $1,399, equipped with a 2,000-watt brushless motor. This electric dirt bike delivers strong performance for both adults and teens, with a unique pit bike design built for fun and agility. Well, here comes another electric dirt bike from Qlaway. And this one is both fun and powerful. Now, you can get this e-bike at around $700 after a 15% Black Friday discount. Having a 750-watt motor, 1,500 watts of peak power, this bike lets you reach speeds up to 31 miles per hour. TST Fat Tire Electric Bike. This one comes with a reliable front and rear suspension system that absorbs bumps and vibrations. With professional 7-speed gears and 3 adjustable riding modes, you can easily switch between city streets, rugged mountains, or sandy beaches. The Black Friday price drops to $630, saving you $70 from its original $700, making it a versatile and affordable option for adventure seekers. This is the Jasion EB5, a compact and practical e-bike, perfect for daily commuting or short adventures. Equipped with a 350-watt motor and a 360-watt-hour battery, it offers a range of 25 to 40 miles per charge. With dual lights, an upgraded LCD display, and front and rear mechanical disc brakes, the EB5 keeps you safe while riding comfortably. The Black Friday price drops to $199.99, saving $100 from the typical $299, making it a budget-friendly choice for city riders. If you want a compact and convenient electric bike that's perfect for city living, the Gotrax Nano is a great choice. Lightweight and foldable, it comes with a 350-watt motor that gives your pedaling a nice boost. This Black Friday, you can grab the Gotrax Nano for $284, down from the usual $380, which makes it a smart and budget-friendly foldable e-bike option. Now we have the Heybike Mars 2.0. With its powerful 1,000-watt rear hub motor, this bike generates 1,800 watts of peak power and pushes over 30 miles per hour speed, all while keeping its signature compact foldable design for easy storage and travel. This Black Friday, it drops to $999, down from its regular $1,499 price tag, which makes it a solid deal for anyone who wants a fun, fast, and hassle-free folding e-bike. Now, we have another e-bike from Heybike, the Ranger S. This e-bike now lands at $999, a big drop from its usual $1,499 price tag. With a powerful 1,000-watt motor and an impressive 55-mile range, it's the kind of compact go-anywhere ride that lets you explore freely without worrying about charging or terrain. Built for comfort and control, the Horizon brings full suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and massive 24x4-inch fat tires that soak up bumps and let you push harder on any surface. All that performance becomes even sweeter with its new $1,299 Black Friday price, a big drop from its previous $1,999 price tag. Now, the Heybike Hero is in a different league, a carbon fiber all-terrain beast made for riders who want toughness and thrill in one premium package. Designed for rugged trails and long outdoor expeditions, it truly feels built for the bold. And with its Black Friday drop to $2,099 from the regular $3,099, this is one of the biggest savings on a high-end carbon EMTB right now. Our next pick is the Fold one from Velotric. This e-bike is made for convenience without compromising on power or range. You get a lower step-through frame, great mileage, and a portable design that fits small spaces effortlessly. The deal makes it even better, saving you $400 as it goes down to $1,099 from its original $1,499 price tag. Velotric Nomad 1 Plus. This e-bike brings serious muscle with its 750-watt motor, delivering 75 Newton-meters of torque, hydraulic brakes for smooth control, and a UL-certified waterproof battery capable of up to 55 miles of range. With a massive $650 discount, the price lands at $1,249 instead of $1,899. The next e-bike we have is one of the most well-known models from Velotric. The Velotric T1 ST Plus stands out with its 39-pound frame, torque sensor smoothness, and up to 70 miles of range packed into a sleek built-in battery. It also brings app integration, Apple Find My support, and a refined riding feel that makes daily commutes effortless. You get all of this for $1,299, dropping from the usual $1,799 tag. Now, the Summit one brings serious mountain strength with its 750-watt motor and a massive 90 Newton-meter of torque that lets you climb hills like they're nothing. Its 120mm hydraulic suspension with lockout smooths out rough, keeps you in control on every trail descent. And because of its current sale price with $200 off, the bike is a good deal to grab on this Black Friday season. With its low step-through frame, wide fat tires, and super accessible geometry, the Cyrusher Rumble is the kind of e-bike that anyone can hop on and instantly feel confident riding. It's nimble, stable, and friendly whether you're hitting local trails or just cruising through town. This Black Friday, the Rumble drops to $799 from its regular $1,399 price tag. If you want something that makes your daily rides smoother, easier, and far more enjoyable, the Cyrusher Roam brings a great combination of cloud-like comfort, all-terrain fat tires, and an upright handlebar. It even includes integrated direction and brake lights, adding safety to the mix. The price makes it even better, $13.99 instead of $17.99. So you're getting a solid mix of comfort and capability with real savings baked in. Now, we have an e-bike that comes with a big $800 discount, the Cyrusher Model L5. This e-bike packs a 750-watt motor with a peak of 1,280 watt, 80 Newton-meters of torque, and a reliable Samsung battery that delivers up to 75 miles of riding. On this Black Friday, the price of the bike slipped to $1,199, down from $1,999. Light, stylish, and surprisingly refined, the Fiido C21 stands out with its 38.5-pound build, hidden wiring, and a smooth, gravel-friendly ride. You're getting premium craftsmanship for a price that feels unreal, because this Black Friday deal slashes it to $999, a massive $800 off the original price tag. If you want smooth pedal assist, strong stopping power, and reliable range, the Fiido C11 Pro nails the balance. Its torquey sensor feels natural, the hydraulic brakes stop fast, and the removable battery offers up to 65 miles of real-world riding. With the price now $1,099 instead of $1,799, you're saving $700 on one of Fiido's most complete commuter packages. Next, the Fiido T1 Pro. This bike brings a 923.6-watt peak motor, a huge 998.4 watt-hour battery, and one-piece wheels designed to handle tough loads without spoke issues. The sale price hits $999. It means you're again saving $700 like the C11 Pro. Compact, affordable, and super convenient, the Fiido D3 Pro is the kind of mini e-bike that fits anywhere and goes everywhere. It weighs just 38.1 pounds, folds down easily, rides silently with its 250-watt motor, and still manages up to 50 miles of range. Best part, this bike will cost you only $400 because of this Black Friday sale. Now, let's talk about Segway's Xafari. A smart, high-performance e-bike built for riders who want range, smooth power, and adaptive riding assistance with its 750-watt motor, producing 80 Newton-meters of torque and a max range of up to 88 miles. And with the sale price landing at $1,799 instead of $2,399, you're getting a premium tech-loaded ride at a much friendlier number. This is the Polygon Kalosi Altera. It's an urban electric bike with its punchy 500-watt Bafang rear motor and a 15-amp-hour Greenway battery that keeps you moving through city streets with confidence. It delivers performance and range in a clean, stylish package. The Black Friday price dips to $1,299, down from $1,999, giving you a full-featured commuter for a much better deal. With a sleek integrated frame, a Bosch Performance Line drive unit, and a Shimano Q's 11-speed shifter, the Kalosi Lanes Prime is built for clean, reliable, everyday commuting. It is refined, comfortable, and feels premium in every touchpoint. Right now, it sits at $2,399, marked down from $3,299, delivering real Bosch-level performance at a lower entry point. Now, here's an e-bike that's all about adventure. Puncture-protected fat tires, an 80mm front suspension fork. The price sits at $1,799, trimmed down from $1,999, giving you a capable fat tire ride that is ready for year-round fun. AMYET G60 Peak from Walmart delivers surprising power with its 1,500-watt peak motor, 32 miles per hour top speed, and a 48-volt detachable battery that gets up to 70 miles with pedal assist. You are saving $750 off the original $1,399 price. This premium Dutch commuter blends comfort, stability, and smooth power, and is ideal for riders between 4 feet 10 inches and 5 feet 6 inches. Wide tires add stability, and its high-quality motor provides strong assistance on hills. The price is where things get interesting. The sale brings it to $1,099. So you will be saving $600 from the listed $1,699. So it is obviously a serious steal for a Gazelle. Now, we have the Aventon Ramblas. This e-bike is built for riders between 5 feet 1 inch and 5 feet 5 inch. If you're someone who wants an electric mountain bike ready for steep climbs and off-road rides, the Ramblas will be a great buy for sure. And this Black Friday drop cuts it to $1,499. Which gives you $500 off its original price tag. Whether you are rolling on sand, snow, or gravel, the Aventon Aventure.2 has the fat tire confidence to handle it all. It is ideal for riders between 5 feet 3 and 5 feet 10 inches who want range, stability, and a comfortable daily ride. This deal is huge. The price slides to $749, down from $999, saving you $250 on one of the most capable budget fat tire options. Smooth, fast, and great for everyday commuting. Our next pick is the Level.2 from Aventon. This e-bike comes with long range, efficient assist, and a comfortable urban geometry. The price? Well, now you can get it for only around $800. Means this Black Friday will save you $450 if you go for Level 2. Reliable, comfortable, and practical, the Rad City 4 is perfect for taller riders between 5 feet 7 inches and 6 feet 5 inches. The e-bike comes with a sturdy frame, integrated rack, and smooth motor assistance for daily trips. With the price dropping to $699, you save $150 from its original $849, making this a solid urban pick. Well, if you want a rugged fat tire electric bike that handles city riding and off-road fun equally, the Rad Rover 6 Plus is a trusted option for that. And with its $300 price off for this Black Friday, makes it an even more worthy option for any riders between 5 feet 2 inch and 6 feet 2 inch, and the sale price of the e-bike is around $950 now. Another e-bike that delivers a premium-feeling ride with efficient performance, clean city handling, and a long-range battery that suits everyday use. Friday price of $999, saving $200 from the regular $1,199. The Paxter 70 Vario offers stability, space, and serious hauling power. With its versatile cargo setup and premium build, it is the ultimate utility electric bike and now sits at around $5,000. Though the price is heavy, its previous $6,199 price tag was heavier. And the $1,200 discount might be the biggest e-bike price off you get this year's Black Friday. To wrap up the list, we have another e-bike from Reese and Muller, the Multi-Tinker Touring e-bike. With its sturdy loading platform, top-tier build quality, and the ability to haul gear or even a passenger with ease, this stands as a premium cargo electric bike for all standard riders. With the Black Friday price dropping to $5,199, you can save $600 from the regular $5,799 price tag, which makes it a solid choice for anyone looking for a powerful and premium cargo e-bike. So finally, that's a wrap on our top Black Friday e-bike deals. Whether you're looking for a sleek city commuter, a rugged fat tire adventure bike, durable dirt bikes, or a versatile cargo e-bike, there's something here for everyone. So don't miss out. Grab your favorite ride while the deals last.